What is one dream role of yours that you would like to play? You know, that it may just be in your mind, or you may have just seen someone play it or
I
something.
want to play Jim Morrison, although I'm too old for it. But I want to experience that ecstasy, that high, where he used to dance on the stage. He used to be something what. It's something because I believe his feminine side was very powerful, very sensitive. So I would love to do that. I still hear the lyrics and it's just best. All real life characters, which inspired me. Suddenly I realized that this Steve O, his temperament, then I realized this is character. What we call character, that's character. How he, without any style, without any charisma, his inner power changed everything. Character is inspired